In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to password protect your entire Wix site to ensure that only authorized viewers have access to your pages. This is particularly useful for those of you who have premium content available or are still in the process of developing pages that are not ready for public viewing. To begin, navigate to the Wix editor to gain a comprehensive view of your site and its separate pages. Once inside the editor, cast your eyes to the left sidebar, where you will find and click on the icon named Pages and Menu. This option is easily recognizable as it's the very first icon from the top. Upon clicking this icon, you will now find yourself in the list of site pages that you have created. You might have various pages named Home, About Us, Products, and so on. For our tutorial example, we are going to use the page labeled General. To proceed further, search for the page that you wish to safeguard and spot its name in this expansive list. As you find the name of your chosen page, you will notice a three-dot icon just next to it. This little icon carries considerable significance as it contains a drop-down menu full of flexible options. Click on this three-dot icon to pop open that drop-down menu, and let's explore more. Now, as the drop-down menu reveals itself, you're going to select an option named Settings. This will take you to a more intricate panel of option settings specifically for the page you've chosen. Inside this settings panel, locate and then click on the Permissions tab. This is where the real action is. Upon clicking, you'll observe a phrase, "Who can view this page?" This is where we need to make a crucial change. Let's navigate from the initially selected Everyone to another option, more secure one, that is, Password Holders. When you select the Password Holders option, a box will magically appear demanding the password from your end. Here, be conscious and choose a strong password that you would like to use for this page. Enter your chosen password in the provided space. Once the password is decided and fed, let's wrap up our process for setting up the password protection. Look for a button saying Done and click it. Now the option is saved and the page is now ready to be password protected. But the job is not done just yet. Our final step in this process is to publish the changes we have made. To do this, gaze at the top right of your editor and you'll see a Publish button proudly sitting there. Clicking on this button will effectively make your changes live, ensuring your chosen page is now secure and can only be viewed by holders of your predetermined password. With that, we have successfully password protected your Wix site page. Now, you have the peace of mind that your content is secure from casual browsers and only accessible to those you've shared the password with.